I've been putting off my cabin filter replacement for my Bronco because I couldn't ever find it available in a car parts store. And today, that's still the case, so I just ordered it on Amazon. It's a K&N VF2078, and it's apparently washable, which may in fact actually justify the cost. I'll leave a link to it in the description. To replace it, open your glove compartment and empty its contents. Press on these two tabs, and it will hinge down. Behind the glove compartment, you'll find a cover for the filter housing. Pinching these two tabs on the right-hand side together will release it so you can hinge it open and remove it. Here's the filter. Pull it out gently so that no debris falls into the ducting. Mine's not too much of a compost heap because I vacuumed it out once before, but it's still pretty bad and not really doing its job anymore. Slide the new one in. Ordinarily, I'd be concerned about directionality, but there are no arrows on this filter and nothing in the instructions. Coolio! It's pretty tall, and the rubberized sides are very sticky, so it may need some encouragement to fit in. Replace the cover, apply the "Do Not Discard" sticker if you like, then put this plastic glove box support back in its retainer, hinge the compartment back up, and it should click into place. Now I can go back to enjoying the finer things in life, like fighting the recirculation button so it stays on and filters my air. Until next time, thank you for watching.